Hey everyone, Scott from Concentric with a demo of the Semantic Intelligence solution. Now in this video I'm going to cover third-party risk, how to spot it, and how to identify what's happened using the Semantic Intelligence tool. This is a keen area of interest to security professionals, and in fact one of our recent customers used Semantic Intelligence to identify some third-party risks that they had in their own environments. They had shared a number of files with an external auditor. The business need to do that had passed, but the security settings were still set up to share those files. So we were able to very quickly help them identify areas of third-party risk and reduce the threat surface for that particular reason. Now, we're going to dive into the data right away here. I'm going to click on this risk tile that's titled Risky Sharing Outside the Company. It's telling me I've got 16 files that are shared that way. And right away you're going to notice I'm getting some categorization for these 16 files. I have 8 in legal, 4 files in HR, and so on. I'm going to click one more time on legal to see what's happening here, and I get yet another drill down through those 8 files. Purchase agreements, reseller agreements, collaboration agreements, etc. And just want you to realize that all the categorization activities and all these thematic categories you see are generated completely autonomously using the Semantic Intelligence deep learning capability. So I'm going to drill into this technology license agreement. There's only one file there, but something I'm really interested in. So I'm going to check out what's going on with this document. And sure enough, as you can see over the entitlement, it's been shared externally. And we'll have a look at what's going on there with anand101b at Gmail. And if I click on that, the UI is going to change and show me all the similar files to the one I'm looking at, to this license agreement, that haven't been shared externally. And that's happening through a technology we call risk distance technology. And risk distance is a way that we use the peer file comparisons to check each individual file to see if they're essentially compliant with the implicit policies that are already in place on those peer files. So whoever is making up these license agreements, they typically share them in a certain way, locate them in a certain place, configure them for access in a certain way. And if we can find files that differ from those kind of standard practices for the peers, that allows us to very quickly and easily surface an accurate perspective of third-party risk in that set of files. So that was just a quick overview of how Semantic Intelligence helps you find third-party risk. If you have interest in other use cases or want to learn more about the user interface, join us on our website. We've got plenty of videos there for you to have a look at. And thanks again for the time.